Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we'll show you how to create logos with Looka. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to visit the website. To get started, enter your company name on the website and click on Get Started. Next, pick your industry and select some logos you like, then choose your preferable colors. Enter your company name and slogan and pick a symbol type. Your logos will be generated based on the information provided. Now, you can edit your samples. Edit your text, layout, background image, symbol, and palette to customize your logo further. You can also change your logo's shape and ask for suggestions to refine your design. Once you're satisfied with the result, you can download your brand kit by clicking on the appropriate option. Finally, click on Download to download your logo. Thank you for watching and see you next time.